You won't believe how easy this apple nut coffee cake recipe is. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you a delicious recipe that's perfect for breakfast or dessert, apple nut coffee cake. This cake is moist, fluffy, and packed with the flavors of fresh apples and crunchy nuts. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this recipe is easy to follow and guaranteed to impress your friends and family. So, let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup sour cream. 2 medium apples, peeled and chopped. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans. Now, let's begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and greasing a 9-inch square baking dish. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Next, add in the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix until just combined. Then, fold in the sour cream, chopped apples, and chopped nuts. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and smooth out the top. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, folks. A delicious and easy recipe for apple nut coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.